which no, it might seem like I'm rushing to get to that, but I am really curious to use this program. So that's all saved. Right, and I will still need this, so I can go over there. Right, so this is new program. Lots of things. Sequences. That's cool. Loop. Okay, cool. So we'll use rectangle and wait, is there a snap to grid? Snap to grid? Snap to grid? Okay, fine. So this will be the do once. It'd be really nice if I didn't have to. So we'll have. Can I just copy and paste that? Yeah. And so that will be the set window. So it does look like quite a lot of sort of writing the same stuff out. Maybe I'll leave and do all the lines at the end, but it does really help you sort of get the flow of how how the I'm saying so much. Yeah, but it lets you sort of see how the program will flow. Okay, right. As soon as I've stopped being quite terrible at this. Right, so then can I just... Right, all those are linked. So then once it's done that, it will go up to... Where was that loop? Loop. Oh, this even has the condition in it as well. This is game loop. If game hasn't exited, and then so this will go and do back to basic shapes. I would quite like to delete that. I'll go back to using these little boxes again, and then we'll need 3 of these. So this is check for key input. And then complete relevant functions. So this box is going to need to be a teeny tiny bit bigger than the others. And then render. So if we just join these up. Right, and then can we put okay, so then this will go back to there. Yeah, so that's basically outside of the classes, that's sort of this planning bit pretty much done. But what I'm gonna need to do is work out the classes. So this will be the parent, which, and that's going to have spawn X, spawn Y, and what else was going to have? Movement functions, which are these. And then from these two classes, from this class we're going to have this one down here and this one up here. This is going to be the player. And this one will be the pirate. Now this one down here is going to fully inherit, like just inherit everything. Inherit all. And this one will inherit all plus. This is probably a really bad plus name. Lives score. I've never actually drawn out class diagrams before. I don't know how obvious that is. Actually, I'm gonna put that down there. And then yeah, and then we'll have the level. Call it the level vector for now, and then why is that suddenly centered itself? Level vector, and then we'll need the width. Block size in pixels. Return height, and return width. So that's pretty much so that's an output, and then if it is exited, I don't know why I keep wanting to use these massive boxes, and then Control B will just bring that in. and then that'll clear up. Loop has exited. And then I guess if there are more levels remaining, I really probably should have been using these. So if there are more levels, then this will go back to here. Oh, it'll go pretty much. It'll go to here, I think, and then that's a yes. Maybe it should do that instead of clearing up. Right, let's delete some stuff. It does have to be after the loop's exited. That doesn't actually have an arrow on it, which would be really, really nice. Can I just... pop that on there? Yeah. And then if it has exited, go this way. I should really be checking. See, this is why you use pseudocode before you code, because otherwise this happens while you're trying to code it all out. Right, we need to make that smaller, more there. Game over. And that goes from... okay, that goes to there, and then we'll move that down. And then this is where it will go to clear up. Right, so that shows the... it's all very rough as to what, but that does show that this is the beginning, this is the main chunk of the game here. This bit here is the main chunk of game, and then this is just if there's more levels. and it's not game over, it'll go do back here, and if it is game over, it'll clear up and probably return to a main menu that I'm yet to plan out. But so if we export okay. Chuckcraze at gmail.com. Yeah. Really glad now that I didn't I was planning on having the keyboard on screen so that you could look at things, but quite glad I didn't now. That's not where I want to save it, but okay. This is, we'll call it NinjaFlow. So that will save somewhere. Okay, cool. Take that from there. Pop it into here. Alright, awesome. So we can now look at that whenever we want. Awesome. So that about wraps it up for today. Not actually sure how long I've been recording for, but this will probably be broken down a bit because it's a lot. So if you enjoyed it, give us a like, and please comments, because I've got a feeling there is a lot more stuff that I'm going to need to this game, and if you like it, I will probably put it up at some point somewhere for people to play and stuff. So if you want to have an input on the game, I've also decided literally just now that I will keep a track of everyone who suggests stuff, and all the stuff that definitely makes it into the game. People will definitely be getting credit for what they do, because that's what it is. But yeah, for now I've been Chard, and yeah, let's see what we can create.